Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to copy PDF text to Excel in same format. So let's start. So this is my PDF and you can see this is a data is showing the different formatting. So this same format I'm going to copy to Excel. Okay, let's see. So first open the Google Chrome and search here the small PDF. Okay, click on the small PDF here and log in the free trial. Then click on the convert option. Then click on the PDF to Excel option. Then upload here your PDF, select the file and upload your PDF. Then it's converted to PDF to Excel. So wait for the few seconds. It's done. After that, just click on the download and your data is ready. Just double click it to open this data and wait. Here you see with the same formatting, data is copied to Excel. Click on the enable editing and data and save this file. Okay, you can see in PDF also in the same formatting here showing. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.